stop pushing me in the grass. That's weird. It feels like it's sprinkling a little. Why? Okay, hold on. Oh. Guys, that is weird. That is so weird. Like, I don't even think that's a dark cloud. I need it to be daytime. See how dark it is. I don't even know how dark it is. Because it's nighttime. That is just a random cloud. Coming out of nowhere. This is a lightning cloud. Oh wow, that was a big one. This is a lightning cloud. But no thunder. Dude, look at that. I don't know why he's doing this. Oh wow, that was a big one behind those trees. I need.